Alright guys, so I go on. So when them no cook, then I throw in the lobster. Comment below and tell me look. Alright, look. So I throw in the lobster now. This smells so nice. Different season, you know, the roasted noodle, everything in it. Wow. So the next time when you see this guys, I one time it finish. Yes, so me soon come back. Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now, as you see in the title, I don't know what the video all about already, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So I'm gonna get 2 lobster, right? From my cousin. So I'm decided to say, yo, I'm gonna curry them down in some coconut milk and I'm show you what I go on, you see me? I'm take you along the journey with me. Bear in mind, at first I curry lobster, so if I'm wrong, you can just leave in the comment section and tell me what I'm gonna do better. Yeah. So I want to know that video. And before you comment, subscribe for new, put the bell on all, also share this video. When you share it, tell the person say them to subscribe to. You see me? Yeah. Help me grow. All day a long time, no some drop videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But the amount of video I have film for one day, I say yo, my drop video back to back to back to back. You see me? Vlog all day. Yeah. Because if I say yo, I go drop video Monday, Wednesday and Friday, me have video a back up till next year, see me? So you are going. I just showing some already. I showing to you enough video content forward, you see me? Because I always say I enough video forward, so I drop the vlog them back to back to back. You see me? No rest. Work straight. I'm showing to you I'm ready and I have enough video forward and I'm showing to you only can subscribe and stay tuned because I always cover something interesting, you see me? Yeah. So follow me on G 0876 and Yasta Adventures. The link to your page them in the description, to just scroll along, click it, and give me a follow up on the 2 page them, you see me? Because before I post something on YouTube, I post a snippet on IG. So all of on IG, we see what I've done before you actually post on YouTube. So if you want to keep up to date on what I go on, just follow me on the gram, you see me? Right now, as we speak, I'm going to drop a video this morning. So the video I record Wednesday, right? I'm going to drop a video this morning, so see the right here, so. So if you don't see the video, you can just go along and just watch the video after you do the video, or you can just go over there, watch it, and then come back. But I would advise you, if you watch it after the video, and you can watch the other video then, because we have so many videos when you can watch if on a new. So I'm cleaning lobster now, so let's get into the video guys, so soon come. Alright guys, so them here and lobster me go curry today and coconut milk, so it's like a curry lobster rundown. Yeah, so basically I don't say they want clean, so I'm going to clean lobster for the first time today. So I see how well I learn, because I watch enough videos with people catching the lobster, cleaning it and all that. So big up to like Spearfish in Jamaica and Sai Vlogs. I see them cleaning lobster enough time. I watch them video, I'm a big fan. So I see how well I learn. Yeah. So I put on the camera now and show you how I clean, because me want to record this, I really want to record me cleaned up. So couple months time or in the future we can look on and say wow, it's the first time I clean lobster and all that. So what's going on, people? Alright guys, so first take out the tail. The tail already broke off now, so just take it off. Alright, I will clean the head now. Then if you can do it now, so see with me. Yeah, let me go. See? So I clean out all them do there and them thing there out of it. So people don't throw the lobster head because meat not the head. You can meat on the head same way. Come at dinner, let's have spoil guys. So they have it off of the fridge for too long. Yes, I had it ready so a pure meat. Once I want to wash it out. The tail now. We do one here wrong guys. We should make the knife cut the meat. So I guess you see if I'm cutting the meat. I want a meat board guys. After I get a meat board, I want a tripod. So I check him back when time I finish. You see me? Come here. Yeah. I'm showing them how I go on, so they can stay people. Alright guys, so this is it. Lobster clean up and now. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw on the season pan it now and the curry and all that and cut up the season. Alright guys. Fire catch, yeah, just like a while ago, as you can see. And so everything I'm gonna use: carrot, find the pumpkin to put the pumpkin in it. What's the name again? Plantain. You have garlic. You have onion, pimento. It's a scallion. You have thyme, and you have Irish potato. Now this. And sweet pepper. Again, sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, pimento, plantain, carrot, and the pumpkin. Yeah. And you don't know the coconut juice. And we have little roasted noodle. I'll throw them okay nice and speed too. And this are the lobster. Yeah. So the head and the meat and all that. Yeah, so I'll throw everything in it. Everything you can curry today. And this I put in my cooking, but cover it up and for the time being. Yeah. And the curry in the house, soon for the curry. The quality of people. The cola give me one time to catch on the last video I did with the current meal. Yeah, I don't know how to cola. Stubborn, hard to catch. I'm gonna eat this with some rice and peas. I'm not gonna vlog me cooking the rice and peas though. The rice and peas are inside, right? By somebody else. So when the rice and peas done, I'm gonna show you the finished product with the rice and peas, the lobster, and all that. Oh. And I'm also broiling some fish. Yeah man, I'm roasting some fish. So I'm not vlog that though. But I'm gonna show you in the next video. So the next video I post after this, I'm gonna be the brown soup fish video with roast breadfruit. So you can definitely look up for that. I try to get some breadfruit because my breadfruit tree they're young, right? I've about they're young. So either I buy breadfruit from somebody or I'm gonna look at a bush or wherever, but more I'm brown some fish with roast breadfruit. So you can stay people, I'm go chip up some stick and put in the coal so you catch faster, right? So soon come back when time the coal gets, so soon come back. Alright guys, so show you the iron pot. You don't know to burn the curry. You see me? Little bit of oil, let's burn the curry and everything, you see me? And the garlic. Yeah. So we have all the garlic like this. So we can fry them back. And take a small cut on them. Alright, so much burn the curry with then garlic here. And then, I don't know, see more garlic, you have more garlic right here, so. You see me, I don't know, Jamaicans always burn the curry. As a Jamaican, you come in here and you have curry and you burn the curry. I say, you want some? No, good. You see me? Because we say, boy, if you burn the curry, you better hurt you. You see me, so burn the curry now. Alright guys, I'm showing the coconut milk. I'm showing you what I'm going on now. I just spin the camera and show you what I'm going on. Alright guys, so see here guys. So as soon as this start boil up, they might show in the marinade. So stay tuned. My kitchen back on time I show in the marinade. So stick and stay peeps. Alright guys, so I'm showing my ingredients now to know. Alright, so that's everything I'm gonna use. I'm gonna say carrot, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, sweet pepper, carrot, pumpkin, plantain, yeah. Oh, and Irish potato. Irish potato in it. So I'm spinning the camera now, hold on there. Oh, and this too, can't afford it. Roots are no good. So I'm spinning the camera now. Let's see what I'm going. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going. So one time them cook, then I throw in the lobster. Yeah, and the sweet anyway, keep on forget things about people. The plantain is optional. When you put the plantain in it. Me put the plantain because one, the curry has a sweet taste. Yeah, I don't know the plantain sweet. So put little plantain in it, get a sweet flavor, I get a different kick. So that's why me put the plantain in it. I'm not putting it up until I put in the lobster. I don't know. Lobster meat very very soft. To me, lobster meat have a similar texture like fish. Quick time lobster cook. No time. And no time fish cook. But then 10 to 15 minutes time chicken cook and basically simple lobster. You see me? Soft, nice and easy to cook. So I'm checking what I could do when time I throw in the lobster meat, you see me? So some come up guys. Guys, I smell a nice aroma come out, so I'm pull and show you. Hold on there. I'm gonna sneak peek. Sneak peek of what I'm going. You can smell the curry, the nice curry flavor. You can smell everything, the garlic and the scallion, the thyme, the coconut milk. Yeah. So as soon as some of the water dry out, we just throw in the lobster, you see me? And the okra. So I'm soon come back. Alright guys, so I'm most time now for the lobster now. Alright guys, comment below and tell me how look. How it look. So I'm throwing the lobster now. So that's good. Up next, got the lean over, guys. So I'll get this straight. Alright guys, so I'll get this straight. That's one time. So yeah, this is how it look now, guys. So basically there's the lobster and the curry to cook. Where the season for the lobster, you see me? So but in the comment below and the look so far. Leave it in the comment section at the first time cooking lobster, you know. Yeah, and see everything is cooked. See all the platen here, the piece more here. Yeah man. So before, the platen is optional. Maybe we can put it in it, but me put it in it because I want the curry have like a sweet taste. So, maybe can say, you know, say, a true thing though, it's a bad night. Yeah, because I never actually had this before. I never cooked curry lobster before, and I never taste curry lobster before. When I get lobster, I say, yo, curry or soup, I say, yo, my curry it and done, you see me? Yeah. So, I want to leave in the comment section and tell me, look. This smells so nice. Different season, you know, the roasted noodle, everything in it. Wow. So the next time when you see this, guys, our time it finish. Yes, so me soon come back. Guys, before me going away, me add in the what me keep on I forgot things name. The okra. Yeah, me add in okra now. So basically everything have a smooth sailing, soon finish, you see me? So by the okra cook, the lobster cook, and the curry cook. Yeah. So before, lobster cook in a coconut milk. So lobster curry run down, curry lobster run down. So like that man take it as, right? With a season, onion, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, garlic, pimento. You can put pumpkin in it, you can put the roasted noodle in it, Irish potato, and to make it sweet, of a sweet taste, the plantain. Yeah. So you don't know. It's crazy vibe and crazy fun. Right now guys, I'm really anxious to taste this, you see me? Really can't wait. So, I'm doing today a curry lobster with rice and peas and brown soup fish because I have to taste this brown soup fish, you know. I can't cook it and taste it. You see me? So the next time I come back, I went time the lobster finish and the rice finish. You see me? I want to share it out. Yeah, I went time lobster finish. Because lobster I finished before everything else. Right? Yeah, so I soon come back guys. Remember, like the video, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Yeah, and subscribe if you don't subscribe. Share the video. So soon come back. Go now, I like a sneak peek. Right, this is the rice. Yeah. And this are the fish. We fry ready, I'll put in the sauce. Alright guys, so this is it. Yeah man, that is it. Alright guys, the lobster done. Yeah, I tasted it a while ago and you can taste say it done fresh. Meaning say, you know, catch yesterday. You see me? You can taste the little spoiled taste in it because when they get it, it is hot and it seems like say yo, it never depend on the fridge about a day or two. I don't know, but it tastes, for your taste you know say you're in a fresh. But I just say good still. You see me? Still grateful for it. Still grateful so I can make the meal here and you know, enjoy the same way. Yeah. The meat is alright, like the tail part, yeah. But like the toe or foot you want to call it, I'm show you. I'm spinning the camera and show you. Yeah. That bite it and suck out the juice inside, you can taste your enough fresh, I must say. I like it spoiled taste. But I just say go still. The rice must done steam by now. it because the right that's still I'm showing you. The fish finish cause right I'm showing you the fish I'm showing you the part where have the sauce, right? Yeah, so that's done. I just look if the rice cook now and then share and enjoy. And then we start edit the video same time we drop off morning or so, you see me? Which is Thursday or Friday. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about one day Thursday, tomorrow Thursday or Friday. So soon check him out guys when time we share and all that. Alright guys, so this is it. So the curry fish, the fish, and so yeah. So this is my dinner today. So let's taste what I got now guys. Alright. Curry fish. And then short a little pepper. Alright, you know? My kind of rare this is it. Not too shelly. I like not too shelly, I swear. Shelly, when you have to put it on like the food box and shake it so it comes like a card in there. No, I like yours shelly. And you can definitely taste the coconut. No, it's nice native coconut. The flatten. Wow. Guys, this curry lobster. Ball. Flatten night. So nice, I swear. I have to go for a second for this, I swear. I don't want this, not eating it today. Okra, bad. Okay, I'm showing you food there now, you see me? So I'm touching back now in this video. I'm done consuming this. Voila fresh. And then start editing, see me? So remember leave a comment down below. Table about lobster. Put on it. Okay, bad manners to eat and talk. When you think about lobster, what make it better? You see me? Come to before the person cooking this, you see me? So leave in the comment section and tell me one thing. Like the video, share the video, everybody don't know. You man, share it up man, share, help me grow. Help me grow. Subscribe for new. And follow me on JP76 and Lobster Adventures. The link to the page them in the description. So just scroll down, click it on and follow. So look more guys. Catch you in the next video.